In this lecture I will create a fraction, using superscript and subscript. Let's say, I want the fraction below to look like the fraction above, which is offered by Arial as a glyph. When I typed the fraction below, I used a /. But as we can see above, the division symbol for a real fraction looks different. Let's have a look at what glyphs we have at our disposal to make a fraction. I go to Insert, Glyph. I click on Show Enhanced Palette. I see Arial has a quarter, a half, and a 3/4 glyph. When I go to Number Forms, I see the other available fractions. But there is no 1/6 fraction. So I have to create one myself. In mathematical operators, I can find the division slash. I double-click on it. I will insert it on the same sentence of the real glyph. I click on Insert. Now I need a 1 for the numerator, and a 6 for the denominator. I see there is a 1 as a numerator. I double-click on it, and insert it. Now let's look at the available denominators. At super and subscripts, the only denominators available are letters. So we must make a 6 denominator ourselves. I type a 6. I zoom in closely using the zoom tool. To make the 6 a subscript, in the text properties, I open Color and Effects. I click on the subscript icon. We see the number has become smaller, but it is too low, and is also somewhat large. I will do it again, but then use a 4, so I can see how large my denominator has to be. I will use guides, so I can be exact. I go to View, Measurement, Show Rulers. I drag 2 guides. I select the 4, and make it subscript. To move the 4 up, I open Advanced Settings. Here I can change the baseline offset. I move the 4 up. I see the 4 is a bit too large. So I decrease its size. I move the 4 up again. I see the 4 at the left is thicker. So I click on the outline icon. Then I hold my mouse pressed down on the outline icon, until I see line width. I set the line width to 3.7. I also see the 4 in the glyph is wider. In Advanced Settings, I scale the denominator to 120%. Now that I have the right size, I type a 6 before the 4, and then delete the 4. I cut and paste my custom-made fraction below.